The Mars Cross, or the Martian Cross as some may know it by. This is a mysterious feature captured by NASA's Curiosity rover. This peculiar formation, etched into the Martian surface, appears almost deliberate, evoking questions about its origins and significance. Could this be a remnant of a lost Martian civilization? And if so, what does it tell us about humanity's potential connection to Mars? To explore this enigma, we must delve into the realms of ancient mythologies, planetary configurations, and the tantalising possibility that we, the inhabitants of planet Earth, might be the descendants of Martian refugees. Wait to hear this. The Mars Cross, as photographed by the Curiosity rover. This is a striking geometric pattern that stands out against the barren, rust-coloured landscape that is planet Mars. Its precise angles and symmetry suggest an artificial origin, raising the possibility that it was created by an intelligent civilization. But who could have built it and why? To answer this, we must consider the ancient solar configuration hypothesis, which posits that the planets of our solar system once occupied vastly different positions relative to one another than what we see today. In this ancient configuration, the planet Mars is believed to have been positioned just above planet Earth, close enough to be a prominent feature in Earth's sky. This proximity would have allowed for direct observation and interaction between the two planets. If a civilization thrived on Mars during this time, it is conceivable that they left behind artifacts like the Mars Cross as a testament to their existence. But what could have caused the demise of this civilization? Ancient mythologies from all around our world speak of a time when the heavens were dominated by a central sun, often depicted as a winged disk. This celestial entity, which some researchers associate with the planet Saturn, was said to emit a plasmatic outpouring that profoundly affected the planets in its vicinity. According to the Saturn theory, this configuration eventually collapsed, and this led to a catastrophic event across the whole solar system. If the planet Mars was indeed positioned close to planet Earth and within the influence of this ancient central sun, then it is possible that this plasmatic discharge from Saturn caused widespread destruction on the Martian surface. The Mars Cross could be a remnant of this lost civilization, a symbol of their culture, and perhaps even a warning to future generations. But why would such a symbol resemble a cross? The cross, of course, as we know, has long been a sacred symbol on our planet, representing the intersection of the material and the spiritual realms. Could the Martians have shared similar religious beliefs, influenced by their perception of the winged sun disk? And get this, the name Cairo is derived from the Arabic word al-Qaira, which means the victorious. However, some etymologists have suggested a deeper connection to the planet Mars, noting that al-Qari can also be interpreted as the camp of Mars. This intriguing link raises the possibility that Cairo, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities on our planet, was once a settlement for Martian refugees. What do you guys think about that? If Mars was rendered uninhabitable by the collapse of the ancient polar configuration, its inhabitants may have fled to our planet, planet Earth, bringing with them their knowledge, their culture, and their symbols. The Mars Cross could be one such symbol, a relic of their former home. Over time, these refugees may have integrated with Earth's native populations, passing down their stories and beliefs, which eventually became intertwined with human mythologies. The very idea that we humans may be descendants of Martians, this idea is not as far-fetched as some may think. The human biological clocks, our circadian rhythms, they're curiously aligned with a 24.65-hour cycle. This closely matches the length of a Martian day. Human eyes and skin are poorly adapted to the intense sunlight of planet Earth. This suggests that our ancestors may have evolved under a different solar regime. The ancient central sun, often depicted as a winged disk, was said to provide a gentler, more diffused light than our current sun does. If Earth was once part of a different solar configuration, with Saturn as its central sun, the transition to our current sun could explain these biological anomalies. The collapse of this configuration would have forced Earth into a new orbit closer to the sun that we see today, and subjected its inhabitants to harsher conditions. Could this transition have been the catalyst for the migration of Martians to the planet Earth? Mythologies from all around the world contain echoes of the ancient central sun. In Egyptian mythology, the winged sun disk represents the god Horus and symbolises protection and divine power. In Mesopotamian lore, the god Shamash is associated with the sun and justice, often depicted with wings. The Hindu god Vishnu is described as residing in a celestial realm illuminated by a central sun, while the Norse myth of Yggdrasil, the world tree, speaks of a cosmic axis connecting different realms. These recurring themes suggest a shared memory of a time when the heavens were dominated by a central sun, a time when Mars and Earth were neighbours, and a time when the boundaries between worlds were fluid. The Mars cross could be a physical manifestation of this memory, a symbol of a lost era when the planets were aligned in harmony. The Mars cross is more than just a geological curiosity. It is a window into humanity's past and a reminder of the mysteries that still surround our origins. Whether it is a relic of a lost Martian civilization, a symbol of ancient religious beliefs, or a marker of our extraterrestrial heritage, the Mars Cross challenges us to reconsider our place in the solar system. And as we continue to explore the planet Mars and uncover its secrets, we may yet find that the red planet holds the key to understanding not only our past, but also our future. The story of the Mars Cross is a story of resilience, adaptation, and enduring quest for knowledge. It is a story that reminds us that we are all, in a sense, wanderers in the vast expanse of space, forever searching for our true home.